Welcome to the CenturyPly Total Cover Warranty portal. If you are a homeowner, registering your warranty is a very simple process. Let us walk you through it. Before you begin, keep your name, mobile number, detailed site address, site PIN code, dealer name and dealer number ready. If you have your invoice, keep that handy too. Please note that invoices submitted within 90 days of the purchase date are eligible for warranty registration. Your invoice should clearly mention the brand name, either Architect Ply or Club Prime, along with the quantity purchased. Go to www.centuryply.com/total cover warranty. If you're a new customer, enter your name, mobile number and PIN code. Then verify your mobile number using the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. If you're already registered, simply log in using your registered mobile number. Once you're logged in, click Register New Warranty. Enter your detailed site address along with the site PIN code. If you have your invoice, enter the invoice number and invoice date, then upload clear images of the invoice. Next, select the brand, either Architect Ply or Club Prime. Enter the quantity, followed by your dealer number and dealer name. If you have multiple invoices, use the Add Invoice option to upload each invoice separately. Review all the details carefully, accept the terms and conditions, and click Submit. If you don't have the invoice, simply select No when prompted. Then, enter the name and mobile number of your architect, interior designer, contractor, or OEM. They'll receive a secure link to upload the invoice and complete the remaining product details on your behalf. Once submitted, your warranty registration will appear as pending on your dashboard while it is being verified. You'll also receive updates on your warranty registration through SMS and WhatsApp. So register your CenturyPly Total Cover Warranty today and keep your furniture protected for years to come.